Hello and welcome to the News Hours on News Rishi, and it's a pleasure to have you with us. We are bringing you the latest updates from around the world. In a world overflowed with information and news, we strive to sift through the noise to bring you the most relevant and reliable news. We promise to deliver the facts, untangle the complexities, and keep you informed. Stay connected, stay tuned for the top stories that matter. Abdul Rashid Salim Salman Khan was born on December 27, 1965. In Mumbai, to legendary screenwriter Salim Khan, who penned super hits in the yesteryears like Sholay, Diwar and Dawn. Khan started his acting career by doing supporting role in the movie Biwi Ho To Aisi. The following year, he had the leading role in the box office romantic hit Maine Pyar Kiya. From there, he became a heartthrob of Indian cinema. Following with the other box office hits, he showed his terrific performance in Sajan in 1991, Andaz Apna Apna and Hum Aapke Hain Kaun in 1994, and Karan Arjun in 1995, Khamoshi the Musical 1996, Kuch Kuch Hota Hai 1998. His transformation can be sensitive, vulnerable, funny, aggressive and charming as his roles demands. In 1998, he was arrested by the local police from the shooting location of the film Hum Saath Saath Hain for killing protected wild animals and spent about a week behind the bars. The actor is facing trial in 3 cases of killing black bucks and chinkaras and another illegal possession of arms. In September 2002, Khan had hit the headlines after he crashed his Land Cruiser near the American Express bakery in Bandra, killing 1 man and injuring others. Being known for those roguish behaviors, he tried to balance his troubled life with his career. He gave his emotionally charged performance as playing an obsessed lover in Tere Naam in 2003 that translated into good reviews and a good run at the box office. He not only managed to revive his career but also to restore the confidence of his producers and distributors alike. His works was noticed internationally in the movie Fir Milenge of 2004, where he played the role of an AIDS patient. It was well appreciated by the World Health Organization for presenting the problems of AIDS patients in today's world. In 2007, he launched Being Human Salman Khan Foundation. This charitable organization aids the unprivileged in areas such as education and health sector. More recently, he starred in the multiple record-breaking box office super hits like Dabangg in 2010, Ready in 2011 and Bodyguard in also 2011 and many more movies. He holds the records for having the highest grossing film of the year 8 times, a feat no other actor has yet achieved. He is well known for his services to Hindi cinemas over the last 30 years, appearing in over 80 films. He has received many awards for his work in Bollywood, including Filmfare Awards, National Filmfare Awards, Star Screen Awards, Zee Cine Awards, and others. Such information, please like and subscribe to our channel.